Arduino, a prototyping platform. I have been talking about today what is Arduino and its history, a programming environment, the advantages and features of Arduino and its applications. So, what is Arduino? An Arduino is a single board microcontroller, which means a tiny computer that we program to do the things that we want to do. Arduino is designed for all ages because it's easy to make a variety of projects. Arduino can sense the environment by receiving input from a variety of sensors. For example, a thermal sensor to check the temperature and get its value. Arduino can also affect its surroundings by controlling lights, motors, and other actuators. For example, like turning off and on the lights and even appliances. Or make your automated door close and open. I'm going to tell you about the brief history of Arduino. Way back in 2005, in Italy, a project was made to make the Arduino with the purpose of making student projects less expensive than other prototyping systems. Founded by Massimo Banzi and David Guarderas, named the project after King Arduino of Ivrea, and began producing boards in a small factory located in Ivrea. The programming environment. Arduino can be programmed using Arduino software, IDE, which I'm going to show you later. This black chip is called the Aidah 328, which allows to upload codes and run codes using laptop or computer. Arduino IDE works on Windows, Linux, and even Mac. This one is the Arduino IDE.
I'll make it.
This one is where you write the code, and this is where you check if your codes have errors. This is where you verify the sketch. This is where you compile and upload the sketch to Arduino. And this is where you make your sketch, and this is where you save sketch, and this is where you put the sketch. This is the current chapter code, and this is the sketch name, and this is the Arduino software version. This one is the tab menu, and this is the open serial monitor. The advantages of Arduino. Arduino is open source. That means it's available to the public. It's user-friendly. There's no extra machine needed to upload the codes. It's very portable and needs lower power consumption. It only needs a battery to power up. This is the basic Arduino board. This is where you put your USB to connect to your laptop or computer. This is the external power supply, is where you connect to your batteries. This one is the TX or RX LED it's gonna blink when you have any activities. This is the 14 digital pins. This is where you put your digital sensors. This is the power LED so that you'll know if your Arduino is on or off. This is the reset button, and this is the Mega AVR or the Mega 328. This is the 6 analog inputs where you put your analog sensors. This is where you power up your sensors. These are other Arduino boards. This one is the Arduino Leonardo, Arduino Yun, Arduino Mega, Arduino Duet. This is Arduino Micro Lily Pad, and Arduino are home automations. For example, burglar alarm. Turn the lights on and off when it detects movement. Sensor prototyping. By combining sensors from thermal, humidity, and weight to create a web of sensor. Robotics, like moving body parts using motors, and others like Wi-Fi, sending SMS, connecting to other computers, Bluetooth, remote control, and many more. Final thoughts. Arduino is cheap, but very useful. Designed for all kids and adults. Arduino is a simple programming language. Arduino is wide support and documentation. Arduino is used for testing sensors and other prototyping work. Where to learn Arduino? You can visit these sites at arduino.cc or aidahgroup.com. These are recommended books: Making Things Talk by Tom Eagle and Getting Started with Arduino by Massimo Banzi. That's all. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Beah. Good job. So,
Where did you get the kit?
Okay.
wait lang. Go, Beah.
Daddy bought it for me.
Where'd you get it?
It can be anywhere. You can also buy it in Facebook.
Hey, I had a question.
Wait lang.
Can I get it?
I also have a favorite dish, yes, an Arduino.
What is this?
Doing robotics. Maybe you can meet sometime and do some robotics stuff.
Yeah,
Okay.
she already knows joystick, so.
Thank you, Ethan. Okay, Cyrus.
Right?
You want to try?
Go ahead.
Go, Beah. Can Cyrus try? Go, Cyrus. Wow. Ari, want to try as well? No? Ari and Yuri wants to try as well. And Benedict has a question. Go in front, Ari and Yuri. JJ and RJ, go. Join them. Just fall in line and please be careful. Gabby and Tom has questions as well. Okay.